Welcome back to the channel, guys. Acres Lawn Care here. Hope you're all doing well. So we are digging,
as you can see.
but this is going to be something nice at the end of it. So this is all going to be a wildflower bed with a little pond in. So we're just enjoying the digging time we have, hoping it never ends.
Hope it never ends. Out of your mind.
You're like, I was ready to go home 2 minutes ago.
The day's only just begun.
Oh my god! Gary is very excited. I found him a very eggy stone.
I'd like to thank my friends, my family, you guys for this spectacular trophy. I love you all. Good night.
We are going to be sticking in a pond, and the good thing about this is that we have no idea how to put one of these in. So as you can see, we've put some edging up. Just customer wanted some sort of edging to separate, because this is going to be a wildflower area. So well, in theory that's where the pond's going to go. I'm going to mark that in a minute, and then this is all going to be wildflowers here, up and down, with a little fairy path in, and then just a little sort of nature pond there for the wildlife. But yeah, in the beautiful town of Chesham here, looking good. So we're going to stick this pond in. Like I said, no idea what we're doing, so this is new to me. I've never put one of these in before. After countless YouTube videos of watching, I'm fully qualified to install now, I hope. But we don't really know much about ponds, but giving it our best shot. Gary's just having a bath at the minute in it, so we'll wait for him to finish, and then we'll get going. Dual purpose wildflower seed mixture. I'm going to mix a bit of grass seed as well, and then we're just going to add some topsoil on top, and then we're going to spread some seed, and we're just going to roll over some soil with the Landsy. Bonjour, Gary. Time to put the nets on, Gaz.